Just listening. Sounds of Cromwell Bottom. Balsam bashing. Audio quality is usually best using headphones. Himalayan balsam is an invasive plant that overwhelms native ground cover species.
Say some of these, they seem to be a bit better rooted. You just take the tops off and the flowers off.
How prolifically do they flower? They go on and on and on?
Yeah. It's quite awkward getting the flower off and then having to break the root. I find it quite therapeutic, you know, when you rip the rooting out, rip the root off and the noise.
Yeah, it's really satisfying when you get a big root.
Yeah, it's quite...
The volunteers' conversation becomes philosophical.
Oh, do you reckon these berries are edible?
Berries?
Yeah.
And what?
Just on any of these plants.
The blackberries will be. That's the ones on the ground.
Just think, at one point in life, civilization went, wonder what that tastes like. Just randomly ate a berry.
And died.
And died, yeah. But they didn't die because it was a berry, they died because they were allergic to berries, but they didn't know that.
People dread, like, birthdays, don't they? But
I don't dread them, I just don't mind
them. You
them.
should celebrate, because you're actually alive and
I celebrate every single weekend that I'm alive.
I always vowed that. My mum died when she was 36.
Yeah.
And I've always said, I'm going to celebrate, you know, every year I'm alive. Because...
I'm celebrating every week that I'm alive.
Because, you know, life's far too short.
Oh, absolutely, I agree. But I also think, like, the idea of birthdays being the only time to celebrate your life isn't the actual one.
No, I know what you mean.
So I'll try and live it to the fullest as much as I can.
You should be a florist, you should retrain.
Why are you trying to get me out of my job?
Eh?
Why are you trying to, like, get me to quit?
I'm not, I'm just saying I think you should retrain, you make a good florist.
The volunteers continue to clear large areas of balsam.